Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of sending money with a PayPal business account. Whether you are paying suppliers, contractors, or making business transactions, PayPal offers an easy and secure way to send money. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly review what a PayPal business account is. A PayPal business account allows businesses to send and receive payments securely online. It also provides access to additional features like invoicing, subscription management, and multi-user access. You can use this account to send to your to suppliers, vendors, or anyone you need to pay for business purposes. It's different from a personal PayPal account, which is primarily for personal transactions. If you don't have a personal PayPal business account set up yet, it's super simple to get started. Head over to paypal.com and click on sign up button. Give your name, surname, email address, create a strong password, then agree and create account, then choose business account and follow the prompts to enter your business information like business name, email, and contract details. Once your account is set up, you will be ready to send and receive payments. Now go back to login page and log into your account. After getting, then click login. To send money, you will need to link a bank account or credit debit card to your PayPal business account. To do this, go to PayPal dashboard, click link a bank account. And follow the on-screen instructions to securely add your financial details. This step ensures fund you can fund transfers you can fund transactions from your linked account. Now let's get to sending money. To send money with PayPal Business, log into your account and click on setup. Go to pay and get paid option, then make payment section. From the make payment section, click send payment. Next, you will enter the recipient's email, address, or mobile number or username. Make sure the person you are sending money to has a PayPal account linked to this email or phone number. Then choose send to my friends or family or pay for goods and services, depending on your needs. For business transactions, select pay for goods and services. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. You can choose the currency if it's different from your primary account's currency. You will also have the option to include a note or a description for the transaction, such as such as payment for web development services or invoice 1234. This helps both you and the recipient keep track of the payment. After that, you will need to choose how to fund the payment. You can select from your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or credit card. If you choose a bank account or card, PayPal will process the payment accordingly. You can also switch between methods by selecting change next to the payment source. For business transactions, it's usually best to pay using your linked bank account or PayPal balance to avoid additional transaction fees. Before you hit send payment, PayPal will show you a summary of your payment. Take a moment to review the amount, the recipient's details, and the payment method. Once everything looks good, click Send Payment now to complete the transaction. Always double check the recipient's email or mobile number before sending the payment. Payments to the wrong address can't be undone, so be careful. After sending the payment, PayPal will show you a confirmation page with your transaction details. You will also receive an email confirmation with the payment receipt for your records. You can access this receipt anytime from the Activity tab in your PayPal account. To track your payments, go to Activity, tap on your PayPal business account dashboard. Here you can see a list of all your transactions. Click All Transactions section. You can filter by transaction type like payment received, payment sent, money transferred, money added, and many other options like that. Then date, you can choose date from here like custom. You can use the calendar, then currency like that, then click apply filter. If you need to make any adjustments to or manage recurring payments, you can do that directly from the manage payment section. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to send money using a PayPal business account. It's a fast and secure way to handle business payments, whether you are paying for services, products, or invoices. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.